Good morning, good morning. Here we are, just me and Mrs. A. We've lost our deckhand, Scott. Really enjoyed having him for the few days that we were together. Don't get to see enough of old friends. I'm gonna miss him, but we got 2 more days to go. Today we're heading Rhode Island Sound, Buzzards Bay, Cape Cod Canal, and we're going to stay in Sandwich, Massachusetts, at the Sandwich Marina. It's got to be a good place if it's named Sandwich, right? It is, so far, a beautiful day out on the bay. Always exciting. Did we hit something?
Oh, yeah. Your little vlog or whatever.
Yeah, a little log.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
It was probably a piece of someone's, yes, half a building. Piece of someone's dock or something, but it looked like it was about an 8x8 timber. Probably 8-10 feet long. Thank God it didn't do any damage that we've been able to discover. It made a hell of a bang. There were a few splinters in the water behind us. I ran down and checked the aft bilge area. Wanted to make sure that the struts were okay. No water coming in. Bolts were all sound. Went down in the engine room to check on the girls. They were happy. Yeah, they were purring right along. The shafts were running true. I do think we picked up a little vibration on the starboard side. So I probably do have a prop that's a little twisted. I'm going to order a new set anyways, because I think it's important to have a spare set, even more so now. But when it costs about $700 or $800 to haul out just to have a look, might as well swap props at that time, and I'll send the current ones out to be reconditioned. Then we'll have a spare set on hand just in case. That was pretty scary. The ride in after up to Point Judith Lake was pretty gnarly. Probably had 6-foot rollers. Wind was behind us, and they were placed about every 4 seconds apart. So that made it quite a ride, a roller coaster for sure. But we made it. It's been quite an adventure. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, very much.
She hasn't quit yet. I thought she might go home with Scott and Peg yesterday, but no.
Yeah,
Still with us.
yeah.
My new deckhand.
Yeah.
Did a good job this morning. Got off the dock okay. All the lines are secure. Well, we hope to have a great day. Hope you do too.
staying tonight?
Yeah.
All right.
I think that's down
Come on.
C22, I think.
22.
Honestly, I'd rather be over here because it's closer to the restaurant.
I didn't check that we got somebody in, but it's a bunch of them. No. Don't be here till I come up.
Are you doing that? I'm going to run down to the head. I gotta take a leak. I gotta take a leak.